Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get quick weather forecast information from your Linux desktop with Meteo. So to start off, open up the article in the description and you're going to want to go down and read the build information for the app. There's different compiling options for different operating systems like Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, and others. I'm using it on Fedora, so I'm going to have to install the dependencies for my Fedora system. And to do that, I just enter the command here, enter my password. It's going to go through and install everything I need. And there's a lot of information, and you can get the source code for just about anything, so definitely worth checking out. Now that the dependencies are taken care of, we need to update and set Qt as our default, and we do that. And we just set it so that it says for Qt5. So that would be this one here. So let's set number 1. After that, we go down and install LMXL. And that is an important aspect to running this app. I've found in my testing that it does not work without it. Once you do all of that, you can download the source code and install everything. So let's go ahead and grab the source code. So the source code is here, and we can download it by clicking over here, doing git clone, and doing that. That will download it. Then we can do cd Meteo, go back to the article here, and the installation command is right here, and we can install and build the app. Now, I ran into an error right here, but as you can see, it installs just fine. If you run into something like this, it shouldn't be a big deal. So once you've got Meteo installed, just open it up, and it will give you the weather information if you already have a configuration set up. Now, if you do not have a configuration set up, you can go to Settings, select your information here. So I've set my information. I've set my temperature unit, my update interval, but you need to create an open weather map key, and all of this information is in for how to create a key like this is in the article that I referenced right here and in the description. But once you do that and you get your own key, you just add it to the open weather map area. Then you can customize the look of the icon. You can set it towards icon and temperature. You can set it towards just an icon. You can set the update interval to be faster, so like 15 minutes instead of 13 or 30, I mean. You can change it from Fahrenheit to Kelvin or Celsius. You can do wind units in a different way, different languages, and that's all that. Also, it doesn't just show you information like you're seeing on my screen from the system tray. If you double click here, you can see my full weather forecast, and we see the detailed information, when it's going to be, the cloudiness, windiness, pressure, humidity, and all of that. So that is how to get Meteo. Definitely something that I would check out if you're a Linux user and you need to get quick weather forecasts right from the desktop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.